Well, it's official. We're either the most dedicated fishermen or the dumbest. You guys decide. There was just tornadoes and thunderstorms yesterday. It's been raining all day with about 30 to 40 mile an hour gust. And we're headed out to catch this guy's first walleye. Alrighty, we're getting rigged up out here. Mother Nature can't decide whether she wants to rain or snow, so we got a little combination of both. We're rigging up jerk baits. We're getting her put in the water. As you guys can tell, it's a beautiful, beautiful day in paradise up here. Gonna go spank some walleye. This is what we're dealing with. Welcome to the pain cave. We're set up. Not very nice out here, as you guys can tell. But we're gonna give it our all. Our goal is to get Mikey his first ever walleye out in the blizzard on May 18th. Typical weather for these parts. A lot of people, a lot of places are probably complaining about how hot it is. Well, I've got an X-Rat. Mike's got a Husky Jerk, I believe. Snowing. Perfect conditions to catch walleye. Skinny eye. Do they flip out? Well, there's our first walleye. Definitely spawned out. Could be a male, could be a female, hard to say. Out here in the blizzard. Not too shabby. See you, bud. Whoop, 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 whoop. So guys, we got a cool little loon right here. You might be able to see that, you might not. Pretty cool. Got a tip for you guys the next time you're trying to jerk on some fish. Pick this up from good buddy Gunther. When you go to jerk your jerk bait, bang it on slack line, because your bait will go. As opposed to if you bang it on tight line, it really only does this. And the fish like when it goes side to side and up and down, all that kind of crazy stuff. Mikey's hooked up. I swear to God, I hope it's a walleye. Is it a northern? Do you want a net? Take two.
Oh, scales.
Why is the scale in the water? Where was the scale in the net?
Yeah.
Oh, that explains it.
He looked a lot bigger on the water.
Oh, he's huge. I'll let you handle him. Oh, yeah. Not a walleye. Yeah, you weren't going to flip that one. No, it's a walleye. Not a walleye. I was just kidding, guys. That guy was getting dangerously close to my line with them sharp teeth he's got. See you, buddy. Oh, you got that. Were you recording for all that?
No, I wasn't.
Oh my God, Mike called that too. He's like, yeah, there's a fish there. Splits it like 10 feet from the boat, and sure as heck. It's a northern, not a walleye. Your line. I think he's hooked up. Is that a walleye? It's a walleye. He's gonna lose him too. Definitely gonna lose him.
Perfect eater.
Is that your first? That's his first ever walleye. Oh my gosh, he's so. That is a perfect eater. I bet he'll go 16. I ain't worried about the walleye getting me. It's the pike that gets you in the hand.
Oh, I worry about that.
Oh, I ain't scared.
Oh, yeah,
Are we involved? We're involved. Oh, he'll go. Listen, we got to pinch the tail. You're allowed to do that. Actually, I get to put it the other way. That's the better way. Right now, guys. Beautiful, beautiful mid-May day up here in the Great White North, the land of the ice and the snow. Don't worry, summer's coming. Well, we're gonna go check out this little island right here. It's typically a decent spot for us. Now we're gonna move, go from there. Still a beautiful day out here. Alrighty, well, we're gonna make a little move here, guys. Here, watch this. We lost the tackle box along the way. Scooped her up. Woohoo! Alright, so we found a spot kind of sorta out of the wind. I've got the jerk bait. I got my mystery tackle box walleye box on right now. Hopefully we're gonna make something happen with it. Mikey's hooked up. He's got another walleye. Oh, that's a nice. That's a probably almost 20-incher, brother. You're gonna have to put that one on the tape. I'm retying.
Oh, right, there he is. I knew it was a walleye. I don't know.
I don't want to hate on mystery tackle box, but the jerk bait they gave me sucked. $19 1/4, I was close. All right, that's a decent walleye. Give him a nice release. Oh my God, they fly so much faster than I can drive. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna catch them. We were gonna fish a little longer, but it's cold. And okay, we survived first off, but we're leaving the lake. We accomplished our goal. We caught this hooligan here, his first ever walleye. And second. It was cold, it snowed, it rained, it did it all, but we were out there, caught them all in jerk baits. We were gonna fish longer, but you know what? We were satisfied. The weather was, this might be the only time the weather's ever beat me, I would say. I don't know if it beat me. We were satisfied, so we left. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to put the link to this guy's YouTube channel in the description below. And don't forget, we're having a giveaway. If we can hit 900 subscribers before midnight Friday night, we're giving away a free fishing trip. We've got partners in like 35 to 36 different states. So we'll be able to give away a fishing trip in your area if you win. So hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, give me a comment, do what you gotta do. And as always, happy adventures.